life update buang. Hi! I vlog because of my Dyson. So you have remembrance. Okay, let's see if ma-vlog ato ning ma-upload dayon. Come Frank, get my Dyson V12. Let's unbox. Oh, very light. Oh! It's very light.
Is it?
Yeah, because it says here.
Wait.
Ito na ata.
So,
it says V12.
now.
Dyson V12 Detect Slim Absolute. Ito na ata yung pinakamagandang, the best gift of my life. The best gift of myself.
For myself.
The best gift for myself.
My wife actually asked me to give it to her for her Christmas or birthday. And I said, no, I won't do that.
Ayaw na akong bigyan nito. Then, I think I was trying to think maybe because it's expensive. That's why you don't want to give it to me.
That'll be the second reason.
Anyway, I'm so proud of myself. I will let Papa open it because I'm not good in instructions.
What instructions?
Instructions, how to put together and so on.
You're going to get embarrassed yourself. I'm not going to be on front of the camera for that. You do that. Get me the scissors.
I'm going to get it myself.
By the way, we have such a mess here.
Okay, that's why I need the Dyson V12.
The ladder has a reason why it's standing here, because it's, you know, the makeover.
For advertisement.
Yeah.
For his channel, advertisement.
Yeah, by the way, so you can see that right? Yes. Please like and subscribe.
Okay, I have done. Come here, Francis. Be here. The big boy.
Ta-da!
So guys, ito na ata yung pinakamahal na nabili ko sa sarili ko po. Ah! Hindi pala. Kasi iba yung excitement talaga nito. Kasi pag bag, I bought so much for myself bags, but it's not really satisfying. This is useful and satisfying, this one. Pinakamagandang regalo ko talaga ito sa sarili ko. And I'm very proud of myself. How to open this one?
How many years she was, you know, telling me, I really want that, I want that.
Ko talaga
you put that in the gray bin,
Pinag-isipan ko talaga to siya ng matagal. Do I have to open it here?
Yeah.
See, I'm not good in furniture thing.
She's not even good in unpacking.
Yeah.
Anything that is longer than her finger. Why is that there? You cannot break it like that. It needs to be cut. The grey one. The grey one.
Is that not plastic?
The black one or the small one?
The white one, huh? That's plastic.
Baby, can you pull that just?
Can you help me? Take off the handy
now,
for a while.
Pull.
Wait, I cannot.
Oh, look at that. Look at
that. Oh my God. Hala ka guys. Tingnan nyo. Para man akong sack. Taas kayo akong koon.
Is that a machine gun?
Oh God.
It looks like it.
Alam nyo ba guys na matagal ko itong pinag-isipan kasi medyo kumahalan din siya for a vacuum. It's a bit expensive for a vacuum, but I decided myself already. Bahala na. And anyway, this was on sale, huh? From seriously.
I'm not saying anything.
Yeah, from $699. I don't want to say
it was $699?
Yeah.
How much was it in MediaMarkt when we saw it? Or
that
where
was the
we were?
old version. This is a new one.
But it was thousands.
This is, no, that's the B15. That's the other one.
What's the B15? Is that a plane?
Yeah. And then this one is $699 and I paid only $599. 100 euros less. So I get it still 2023 from the year 2023. This is a new version 20. The old one was $399.
So cheap still. Cheap.
Yeah, the old one. But they said this is the better.
By the way, you're on 4 minutes 36.
Can you make it? What is that here? Yung guide? Look at Francis. So meron siyang attachment.
Walkie-talkie.
You can scan also.
Walkie-talkie.
And then cook man, how light is that? Francis, Francis. How light is that?
What is this?
Not that it's not functioning really well, pero I think we still need to charge this.
What is this?
You hear that? Satisfying.
Satisfying.
I'll pass it.
What is
Then
that?
another one. Another one. It's like go.
What
Another one.
Look at these curves. Look at these curves. Are they not beautiful?
I don't.
this
This is the one for the wall, pa.
Yeah.
Yeah, because you have to attach it to
Good
the wall.
idea.
Oh, look at that.
Look at that. The another attachments. Satisfying to the. She likes that. Satisfying. The main. Is that the main?
Oh, look at these colors. Beautiful. Oh.
Yeah, and then.
Mama, we watched that documentary.
Yeah, we watch.
Yeah, I got it.
Yes.
What? How? Do it here.
Oh! And
Look
Mama's
at that.
doing it wrong.
Mama is doing it wrong.
Oh!
They're unpacking it too. Ito yung... that's the main one, I think.
Oh.
Oh!
Different color. Oh, a time machine.
Francis, how fast it is.
That is a time machine, that thing here.
And that's the charger. Here's the charger.
No, that is a laser gun.
Ito yung charger niya.
That's the laser gun.
And then, is there another here? Ayan. Ito yung sa attachments. There's nothing anymore, Francine. You have to keep it because if just in case not functioning, we have to return it to change. So, ayan, that's all. And we, simulan na mo guys.
Laser gun.
Tapos, pakita namin sa inyo.
Laser
Ito
gun.
na talaga, ang happy ko talaga na meron na akong ganito. Do you hear me?
What?
I'm very happy that I have this finally.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Another achievement in your life.
Another achievement being independent.
Francine, can you shoot her?
When I can Hoover.
You can put that Kleine there. Yeah.
Can you shout Hoover?
Yeah.
I can
I'm so
Hoover.
proud being strong, independent woman in Deutschland.
Take it to your husband, making it available. Able, make you able.
I'll Hoover. What is no?
So, you're gonna attach it in the wall, okay?
Yeah. Mama,
Me?
Yeah.
I like to Hoover this.
It's so light. Even the kids, cook mal guys. It's so light. Fancy of passing. That's the main thing. Even the kids can carry it, and that's the best thing on it. I'm very glad.
I really want to Hoover now.
Now, Mama is not gonna buy a skincare for 1 year.
I love Hoover. I love Hoover.
I-switch off niya yung iPod kaya gusto siya mag-hoover. Ganda niya eh. Kita mo din yung abog. No? Wala, grabe ka abog ang balay, oy! Just, kung dili bag og hoover, di yun yung hoover ba? Very light man gud siya. Very light bisag bisag 3 years old makadaog. So, good boy. Kalat ng bahay namin guys kasi straight duty kami ni Frank for how many days? And ngayon lang kami nagka-day off. Nagkasabay kami ng day off. Tanawa ra. Pugi dong. Sige dong. Banat dong. Charge mo na nako. So, hello guys. Kumusta mo? Nagkape ko guys. Tasa sa among trabahoan. I got Duha ata ang akong kuhaan ni kaysa akong kauban. Di sila ganahan na natasa. Ako ang gidala diri kay ganahan ko kay init yang kape. Wa jud makalupig. Nagnapsa si Frank, niabot po ang shelf ni Francine. So, amo siyang i-build. Kasi yung day off ko, ano na ako ngayon, may urlob ako or vacation leave for 5 days lang ata. Tapos, or 4 days. Tapos, may off ako. So, giusa na siya sa tigbuhat na mag-schedule. So, giusa niya. So, I have 10 days off altogether with the vacation leave. So, but I was working straight few days. Kaming dalawa ni Frank ngayon. Nagkaswerte lang na may same kaming day off, dalawa. Today and tomorrow. Kang Frank at ako naman hanggang next week. And then, meron ako dapat ngayon today, Deutsch course ko. Kaso hindi ako nagpunta. Hindi ako pumasok kasi masama yung pakiramdam ko. The other day pa, masama yung pakiramdam ko. Pero pumasok pa din ako sa trabaho kasi pag late shift ako guys, pag late shift ako, ayaw kong mag-absent kasi kawawa yung kasama mo kasi worst scenario is dapat 4 kayo, 3 na lang kayo, tapos dalawa sa other, ano ba yung etage sa floor nyo, tagdalawa kayo pag spate din, pag late shift. Kasi yung pinagtatrabahoan ko, we have 7 etage or 7 floors. And then, every floor should, pag late shift, 2 dapat kayo. Kasi, yeah. And then, pag mag-absent ako, so 3 lang. So, ang mangyayari, isa lang matitira sa isang floor. So, yun. Hindi ako nag-absent. Uminom lang ako ng tambal. Uminom lang ako ng gamot. Tapos, pumasok pa din ako kasi kawawa din naman. Tapos, kasi pag nasa trabaho ka, hindi mo laging naiisip yung sakit ng ulo mo or ano. So, ayun. So, wala. Hindi ako masyadong nag-upload guys kasi walang time. Tapos pagod. Tapos nagpo-focus ako sa aking family. Although, meron talaga akong mga videos noon guys. Kaso hindi ako nakakapag-upload kasi hindi ko siya nai-edit. Nagba-vlog ako pero hindi nai-edit. Pero ngayon, nag-update ko kayo sa ating live. So, ayun nga. Pero nag-ano lang man tayo, nag-unbox lang man tayo ng nandyan pa yung birthday ni Francine, hindi ko tinanggal. Kasi pag hindi ako nag-upload guys, mawawala yung monetization ng aking channel. Tapos, sayang phone nga lang yung ginamit ko. Sayang din naman kasi guys, pag hindi tayo mag-update, tapos pinaghirapan ko yun para ma-monetize yung channel ko, tapos hindi na ako mag-upload. So, mawawala yung monetization. So, dapat i-update ko kayo. So, sana, kahit once a week, no? Pero alam nyo guys, nagpaplano ako na mag-upload ng mga reels sa Facebook. Meron para ako, Fraudulent and Family. Inactivate ko siya, active ko siya again. Fraudulent and Family pa din ang pangalan. So, nanonood ako ng Vampire Diaries. Inano ko talaga yung pero lagi akong bilar, lagi akong puyat. So, ayun, hindi na nag-upload. Pero, i-update ko talaga ko. Kasi ko din naman itong YouTube ko. Kahit konti lang ito, pinaghirapan ko ito ba noon para ma-monetize. So, i-update ko kayo. Pasensya na guys kung hindi tayo focus tayo sa ating career dito sa Germany. Pero, ewan ko ba, kahit anong grabe naman nanta ko ka hardworking. Grabe nanta ko ka hardworking pa imo. Hardworking la istoryahan guys. Hardworking juga kayo. Tapos nag-aaral pa ako ha. And then, wa man taning kuan dito kasi sa Germany, ang mahal na talaga ng bilihin. Pero yung sweldo mo, hindi man tumataas. Pero alam nyo guys, kaya ako nakabili nitong Dyson. Kwento ko sa inyo. Kasi nito yung nakaganda dito sa Germany. Kasi, last 2 months ago or 1 month ago, may natanggap ako sa trabaho. Meron kami kasi ditong, hindi ko alam kung anong tawag niyan, pero may natanggap akong malaki amount na galing sa trabaho for one time, and then yun muna. Then every month, meron din siyang, every month, 200 euros din siya. So, last first give nila sa'yo, yan ay, I think that is from the government, and then required ang lahat ng mga employer or required lahat. Hindi ko alam kung sa lahat, pero kaming mga medical fields, nasa medical fields, required talaga siya na bibigyan, para siyang bonus. Ganyan. Tapos, yun nga, so sinave ko talaga yung pera na yun kasi plinano ko talaga, noon ko pa talaga gustong bumili ng Dyson. Pero, lagi kong iniisip, sayang ang pera, magtitiis lang muna ako dito sa aking with cord na vacuum kasi, or hoover kasi, bakit naman ako kailangan pang bumili, diba, ng cordless and so on, kung meron naman kaming hoover. Pero napag-isip-isip ko last few days, nag-sale kasi siya yung Dyson, kahit 100 euro less lang at least, diba? Na kasi siya, nag-sale. So sabi ko talaga sa sarili ko, bibili talaga ako, pero meron akong remembrance sa aking trabaho. Hindi, para mabili ko siya, kasi pag hindi ko siya binili ngayon, I don't know kung kailan ko siya mabibili. And then, ang laki talaga ng tulong nito sa amin, guys, kasi kami lang dito sa bahay. Pag nasa trabaho ako, wala akong time maglinis, and then easy for the kids to use. I mean, to Ella too. Nasa school pa pala si Ella, and then easy na lang siya igamitin namin ba. So, ayun. Hindi siya, madali siyang gamitin, and then madali na ako makapaglinis. So, I'm thinking also sa advantage niya. So, ayan. Binili ko na siya para yun. So, I'm very proud of myself after how many years here in Germany. Nakakabili na ako ng mga gamit sa bahay na galing talaga siya sa aking bulsa. So, yun nga. Lagi, hinihingi ko na to siya kami. Yun, I want this for my birthday gift, Christmas gift. Pero ayun niyang bilhan ako ng mga ganitong regalo, guys. Kasi sabi niya, hindi naman daw yan regalo. Para daw yung para daw yung hindi daw maganda regaluhan ng panglinis ng bahay or pang ng bahay yung asawa mo. So, but I think it's more on pricey din siya, guys. And then, meron kami dapat tayong priorities, no? Dapat, lalo na ngayon, ang mahal na dito. Tapos, ang daming may bills and so on. Taas ang kurente, ang tubig, and so on. Kailangan mong bayaran. So, ayun. So, nagnap lang si Mayor. Pinanap ko lang siya, guys, kasi pagod din yan siya. Ilang days din yan siya straight ang trabaho. Tapos ako, nakatulog ako ng maayos kagabi, pero siya hindi. Kasi nag-update din yan siya ng online, online helicopter data niya. So, ayun. Pinatulog ko lang muna siya para may energy siya. At ako naman, nagbabantay ako sa dalawang maliliit dito. Kumain na yan. Ang dalawa, so far, so good. Hindi sila masyadong nag-aaway talaga. Si Francine ay very, very patient, and I'm very, very proud. I'm very proud of Ate Francine. Because she's very patient to her brother. Na? Yeah. And then, and then she is in Grundschule next year. Mag-grade 1 na siya. Time flies. My God. And I'm very proud of her because she's very responsible and independent. Siya na lang naliligo, siya na nagtututbrush, siya na nagbibihis, siya na lagi. Tumutulong din yan siya dito. So, syempre, ang manghod, chill-chill yan lang yan siya kasi nag-iisang boy namin yan dito sa bahay. Pero tumutulong din si Francis. Pinapatulong ko din yan siya, guys, para talaga sila ba? Lumaki sila na hindi bitaw dependent. Lumaki, especially same sa amin dalawa ni Frank na nagtatrabaho, both working mom ako, and then si Frank din nagtatrabaho. So at least yung kids, pag wala kami, alam na nila kung anong dapat gawin, di ba? Guys, kagubot pa mo balay yapon. So nag-hoover ko ani na carpet. Dugay na kanina mo ng carpet, di ba, guys? Alam nyo, guys, sige na mo ni siya guviron sa normal hoover. But look at that, guys. Gi-empty na ako ni ganina ang dustbin sa Dyson. Using left hand lang only na. Very light yun siya. So that's why gustong-gusto dyan na ako ni siya na hoover. Mauna tanan akong na-accumulate, akong na-hoover, ani lang na carpet. Look, unsa kagamay among carpet. Pero yung ani kadaghan ang amuang nalimpyo. My God. So, das
thematisieren, was der russische Präsident Putin in der Ukraine angerichtet habe. Die UNO-Vollversammlung beginnt morgen und beschäftigt sich unter anderem damit, warum es nicht gelingt, Armut und Krisen auf der Welt einzudämmen. Die USA und der Iran haben nach monatelangen Verhandlungen je 5 Häftlinge.
News na mo dre
Der
Generman.
Austausch fand in Katar statt. Der Golfstaat war als Vermittler aufgetreten.